What's good, Soul Fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. And you know, so we're back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar. We out here like every day over there, I do it like every day. You know what I say? Story time. The day that I got robbed in Jamaica, Kingston. Yeah. Wow. This just me the worst experience in my life. Worst experience. So, just by starting, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend. We already said that already, but wait, give me a minute there.
No man, chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I'm cooking.
Are you cook this, chef?
Yeah.
No.
So yeah guys, it was just like any other ordinary day people. Leave work, take a JUTC, go downtown. So it was like a Wednesday. And if you live in Jamaica, you know Wednesday, town lock half day. If you don't know, Kingston lock half day. So Maga country, Center Mass, east side city. Yeah, so we are go east side, we are go Center Mass. So no bus, people like crazy. In the town, people like crazy. When I say people like crazy, I mean people like crazy. A bus come before people. As the bus reach, before the bus reach, the bus full, because people walk, go down, wait down pan King, pan East Queen Street Road. People walk straight down and catch a bus. So, two bus come. As the bus reach, it full. So, a taxi come before people and we're like, I said to be man, we are going, and she said no. She stand up, she and her friend stand up, so we just left it. One next one come now, black 7-seater people. So people no beware people. It happened to me, it can happen to anybody who no beware. Don't go in a vehicle in the night. What worse when I go see one somebody in the front seat already. So it can't catch anybody but we can't even tell us if we travel in a pack because it was 6 of us and all we know one another and yet still we still get robbed, stick up by gunpoint. So the taxi do not more than take we up, all of we go in. The next youth was going in the car with us, and for some reason the driver said let the girl run at the back. So there was 3 girls run at the back, 2 on the front, as I said, and me at the side. So they end up telling you, say them nah care no more about it. Which we should have picked up that because we know Jamaican always a full worth a night. They must stack up a vehicle. So, but you know you will want to go home and even watch that same way. So, as I say, worst experience ever. So now, you know, I'm still kind of, you see me. So, anyways, it drive down Harbour Street. What would I call? Country people would have said sea breeze. So, but before we left out, I told him I said wind up the window. But normally every taxi tell you that and then turn on the AC. So it wasn't no problem. What happened now is that you see my drive Harbour Street, which is Sea Breeze Road. So in myself, I said, oh, this a driver is so brave. Fear drive Sea Breeze Road in a time like this when people are robbing people, because you know normally drive down so. By the time we reach a stoplight, I'm going to just turn you on. People might just turn you on, so boom. This is a stick up. Give me everything on a have. So everybody in a car, it's like them shocked. It's like it no lick them. It's like me sit down and me I say, oh, this can't real. So but then I'm phone same way. Everybody in them phone same way. So like and comment for part 2. Tell you a full story, people. As me say, worst experience ever, people. Ah boy. Yeah, but